Okay, we're going to look at simple interest. We'll read the question and then associate it with the variables in the simple interest formula. So you've invested $593 in a simple interest account. The account earns 4.7 per year. The account now has $670 in it. How long in months has the money been invested? So what we're going to do is we're going to have to highlight our important information. Actually, again, before we do that, we'll talk about, so FV stands for the future value. P stands for the principal, so that's the amount you start with. R stands for the interest rate, and T stands for the amount of time that's passed. And in this case, T is in years because it says it's per year, the interest rate. So let's highlight our important information. The principal is the amount we start with, so that is the $593. The interest rate is 4.7 per year, so highlight that. And we actually know the future value. Remember to highlight it. Oh, there you go. It's $670. So we actually have that value too. So we have the future value, we have the principal, which is twice in our formula, and we have the interest rate. So the thing we're actually missing in this one is we're actually missing the amount of time. And it's asking how long in months has the money been invested. So we're going to plug in all of our variables, and then we're going to isolate for the unknown variable. So like we said, the future value, that's 600. Ooh. There you go, $670. Our principal is 593 plus 593 divided by, this is a percentage, which we have to change into a decimal. So in order to do that, we divide it by 100, 0.4, lagging a bit, and T is still our unknown. So with T being our unknown, we're going to calculate the rest of these. And then solve. So the first thing I can do is, since this is all by itself, when I bring it to the other side, I would subtract because it's technically positive on this side. So what that's going to look like is 670 subtract 593 and is equal to, we still have 593 times, this is lagging a little, so it's not coming out so well, these numbers, sorry. When we subtract, we're going to end up with $77 on the left side here, so we have 77 is equal to. And since this is multiplication, we can figure out what this value is here by just multiplying the two values. So we'll bring out our calculator again. Let's see if it's going to do it. Go. It's going quite slow. Okay, refresh our calculator. Okay. So the value that we need to multiply is that 593 multiplied by 0.047, and that says it's 27.871. So we get 27.87. Wow, 27. There we go. And that's multiplied by T. Sorry, it's going so slow. Now, because this is multiplication, in order to get T by itself, I need to divide both sides by 27.871. So we can go back to our calculator and we can say 77. Oops, we'll go to a new line here. 77. Let's know those are sevens. Divided by 27.871. There we go. And we get the value of 2. So 2.76, let's round it to there, is equal to, and because these create a 1 or cancel out a lot of time, they're known as, we're just left with a T on the other side. So time is equal to 2.76, except that that's in years, and the question asked us for months. So what we need to do is we need to multiply that value by 12. So we're going to take that number, so that's the answer from before, and what's nice is this calculator saves those answers, times 12, because there are 12 months in a year, and that's going to give us 33.15, so we're going to round it to 33 months. So the money has been invested for 33 months in this case.